Experiencing slow internet speeds with Spectrum? Don't worry, you can often fix it yourself. First, let's cover the basics. Spectrum Internet relies on cable infrastructure, so speed issues can arise from several factors like network congestion, outdated equipment, or even your home setup. Start by rebooting your modem and router. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Also, minimize the number of devices using your Wi-Fi simultaneously, as each device consumes bandwidth. Outdated firmware on your modem or router can also cause problems, so ensure they're updated to the latest versions. Finally, check your internet plan to confirm it meets your needs. If you're consistently exceeding your bandwidth, consider upgrading to a higher speed tier. If these basic steps don't significantly improve your speeds, move on to more advanced troubleshooting. To further optimize your Spectrum internet speed, consider tweaking your DNS settings. Spectrum's default DNS servers can sometimes be slow. Switching to public DNS servers like Google or Cloudflare can improve website loading times. Next, optimize your Wi-Fi channel. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to identify less congested channels in your area and switch your router to one of those. Proper router placement is crucial. Position your router centrally, away from walls, metal objects, and electronic devices that can cause interference. Elevating your router can also improve signal distribution, especially in multi-story homes. For devices requiring a stable connection, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. If problems persist, contact Spectrum to check for signal issues or outdated equipment that needs replacing.